Hey, you do, welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Supreme Castelli cycling cap. It is white color. Retail price is $32, and then shipping fee is $10. Sales tax is $2.80. So the total for this one is $44.80. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. Not sure why they come with this huge shopping bag. Wow, this bag is meant for hoodie or the crew neck. Let's go ahead and take this one out. What? It doesn't even come with the plastic bag. That's crazy. It's gonna get dirty. Well, anyway, at least I got two of the red box logo sticker or decal. Okay. So for the bigger bag, this one is like you got the jumbo red box logo right here. As you see, it is much more bigger. Anyway, let's go ahead and check out this hat. Got this tissue inside the cap. 1, 2, 3. I don't think you didn't need that many, but it looks so small. So on the front head, you got this scorpion. And then on the brim, you got the Rosso Corsa. And then on the top, got the Castelli. I'm not sure why they cut this on there. I guess they didn't want to punch a hole. So this is the tag that come with it. In case you guys want to do a legit check. Castelli-cycling.com. So let's go ahead and check out this clip. So there's like a opening right here. All right, and then on the cap, you have the left, and then right hand side, you got this red box logo, which is pretty nice. And then you have this green, white, and red stripe. And on the back right here, you got this elastic band. This is one size fit all. And on the bottom right here, you got this Supreme, pretty nice, with the register trademark. So let's go ahead and check out the inner hat. So this one, you got the red scorpion with the red box logo right here. And it is made in China. One size fit all. And here is your RN number and CA number. 120097. And then the CA number is 59872. That's what it look like inside the label on the tag. And then you got this long wash tag, made in China, 100% polyester, Italian, French, Dutch, German, Spanish, Norwegian. Wow, they got so many different languages. Danish, Portuguese, Hebrew, Japanese, Korean, Slovak, simple Chinese, and then Italy. Wow, that's you got the two other long tags. So it is a little dirty right there. I'm not sure what's the dirt. And then right here as well, probably from the worker in China. That's I'm not sure. And then there's another dot right there, dirt right here. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace. So yeah, this is what's it look like. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view, okay?